Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this afternoon. In the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, August the 26th, 2023 is actually today Sunday. We don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve this additional, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one will be number 6994. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This Jigsaw Sudoku is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 11. 8 by 11. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. Sometimes we have Jigsaw Sudokus 9 by 11. Sometimes smaller, 8 by 8. This one is 8 by 11, and it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. But it's an easy one because it has 17 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Do we have more? No. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. The 1 is already given, so this should be a 2. Another dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Next question, do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadruple boxes. Next question, do we have here quadruple boxes? I see here 1 quadruple box contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadruple box in an L shape. And when you see a quadruple box in an L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. This is always a 5. Okay, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And let me see, more quadruple boxes in this puzzle. Let me check. No quadruple boxes here. Well, then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more in this kind of shapes in this puzzle? Yeah. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same name as that box. Let me check. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one, mirrored. This box has the same name as that box. Here another one. This box has the same name as that box. Then let me see the next shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. Well. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. We have a 2 here. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only 1 L shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S shape. This is the Z shape. Let me draw this Z construction. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. But also in this Z construction, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Right, only one Z construction in this puzzle. And then the final shape, I believe this shape, yeah. We have one shape left. Alright, this kind of shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. I believe the T shape is missing here. A maximum of 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area. Numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 and more. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. One box left in this area for number 2. Alright. Let me see. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra L shape for number 2. I think this box, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3, and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, those 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this area could be here, could be there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 5 there. If I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So not a solution to place the 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be here. Alright. This box cannot be 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and this box is connected with that box. So 1 or a 2. So 1 digit left in this Z construction for number 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Then 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Well, 1. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. Alright. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on. Need to think. 4 and a 5, we already have a 4 there, so it can be 4 here. The 4 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. 3. Okay. 3, 4, 5. I need to wait here. Well. Here, 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. This box can be a 1. Interesting. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 4. This box can also not be a 3 because we have a 3 there, and this box is connected with that box, so it can also not be a 3 here. So the 3 goes together with the 4. So if I eliminated the 1 here, the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 1. And I've eliminated the 5 here, so the 5 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1, 2, 3. Need a 3 here. Well, we need a 3 in one of these boxes. Here can be 3 because we have a 3 over here, so this can be a 3. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Alright. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we've got double 4 there. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes here. Alright, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. It's connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Then, let me think. These 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. Then, let me think. 1, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes around the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 5 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other, we have a Samurai Sudoku, yes, a quintuplet in the evening. Until then, bye bye for now.